Alright, so you just receive your Jowua mats and you let them rest for like 24 hours after the unboxing to let them unfold fully. Now let's proceed to the installation. So in this video we're gonna cover the full installation in the car of the trunk liner and the front liner, and for a timestamp please check in the description. Alright, so you just received your Jowua Model Y Juniper Easy Shield trunk liner, and today we're gonna see how to install it. So when you just take out fresh out of the box, it should be already looking like this with the strap already attached. And let's follow me and we're gonna see how to install all this. First thing first, you will need to reverse this part. You put it this way around. Alright, so you take this part, reverse, put it there, and simply wrap it up. One part here, the other part here, and then we're set. Up, first part of the trunk is set. And now you're gonna understand why we're separating both parts of the trunk. So let's lift this part here, right there, and let's do the same process. So here we got a second part, same process, we take it, reverse it, we put it down here, up, we make sure that the fit is correct, and then same, you strap it around, just up, just like that. And there you go. We need to make sure that this little part goes here, up, and then you can install it. Right over there, up. And now you get protection for your full trunk. And as simple as that, you get access to an extra 36 liters of storage. And this part is also easily reachable. And the good advantage is that we cover your trunk till the end with this extra layer of protection right there. And the Model Y Easy Shield combo also comes with the real sick back cover, so let's install this. Okay, so here we can see that we scratch it and it aligns perfectly with the shape of the seat. And we want to make sure that this part is also perfectly aligned with the trunk, with the rear trunk liner. And just like that, you got the liners that fits perfectly with the trunk liner like this. You got a perfect alignment. So now let's move on to the rest. So same, we want to double check up that the alignment is perfect right all around the seats. And just like that, your whole trunk is covered with 3 back cover seats and a 2-piece of the Easy Shield. And you even have access to this extra 36-liter piece of storage. Alright, so now let's lift up those 2 seats and we're good. And for the trunk and front, we of course have a little cover as well. And now let's move on to the all-weather floor liners combo for Model Y Juniper. So we got the 2 front passenger mats and the rear passenger mats. It also comes with the rear seats air vent covers, and it also comes up with a tissue box holder here and a tissue box that can also have another use and can be transformed in a secret storage space for you. So Tesla rear air vents are just located right here under the driver's seat and the front passenger seat. And what we're gonna do is just stick this little piece up right over there, up, as simple as that, to protect it from having any little things, coins, candies to sliding into it. And in order to avoid to have your Tesla super dirty as it is right now, we're just gonna install this rear passenger covers that covers everything. Up, up, you just push it a little bit, adjust it a little bit, and here we go, we got a perfect fit. And now let's install the front passenger mat. As simple as that. We push, we adjust the fit, and we're good. Alright, let's move to the driver's seat now. And now for the driver's seat, let's install it. So simply slide it under the pedals and then push to adjust the fit. It should fit perfectly. Alright, so there we have it, the full installation of the trunk and the front liner in the Model Y Juniper. If you have any struggle during the installation, feel free to recheck at the time we present this in a video, or reach out to us and we will be glad to help you out. So you can reach out to us via email or via X, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and so on. So you get all the information on the website and we'll be very happy to help you out during your installation. Just send us a video and a description of your problem and we'll get you covered.